Hello everyone! Welcome to our virtual class. I am Teacher Judy. Today, we're going to talk about long vowel A sound. In this topic, you are expected to read words, phrases, poem, or stories with long vowel A sound. Now let us begin by looking for the words with short A sound. Again, we are to look for short A sound. Let us read this paragraph. Pat was taking a nap on a mat. A big rat ran to the mat. Pat was mad at the rat. She threw a cap to the rat. The rat ran away. Now let me ask you, what words in the story have the short vowel A? The words with short A sound are pat, nap, mat, rat, mad, cap, and run. Now see what happens if I will add an E at the end of some words. Rat plus E is rate. Na plus E is nape. Mat plus E is mate. Mad plus E is made. Cap plus E is cape. Tap plus E will become tape. Now let me ask you, is the sound of A the same in the first and second group of words? What's the answer? The answer is no. The second set of words which we added E have the long vowel A sound. This time, let's read the following words with long A sound. Let's read all together. Date, gate, late, mate, game, lame, name, same, bake, cake, lake, make, cane, lane, pain, vein, age, cage, page, wage, ape, cape, nape, tape, meal, pail, sail, and tail. Good job! You now know what words have long A sound. Here in the next activity, you just have to match the words with long A with correct pictures. I will give you 10 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let's check your answers. Do we have the same answers? Whatever score you got, you did a great job. Those are just some words with long A sound. Next, we have phrases with long A sound. Let us read them all together. Tape the pages. The cake sale. Take the rake. The same man came. A pale male. A layman with a cane. A cane on the lane. And a cape on the pane. Now let us recite a poem with correct intonation and facial expression. Of course, do not forget to pronounce the words with long A sound correctly. Let's begin. Long A. I am Long A, and I like to play. I run all day, then sit by a bay. When I pair with I can make chain or rain. Put the E on the end, and I say my name. That is just an example poem with long A sound. To test whether you know some words with long A sound, let us answer a word puzzle. Word number 1. You put a candle on me. You slice me and eat me. I am sweet treat on your birthday. What am I? The answer is cake. For number 2, people cross the road through me. I am called the pedestrian blank. What's the answer? The answer is lane. Next word. I rhyme with lane, and I am part of a window blank. The answer is pane, window pane. For word number 4, I cannot walk easily as others. I need my cane wherever I go. That person is? The answer is lame. Word number 5. Know me, call me, for this is how I am. What am I? I am name. Word number 6. I am neither an ocean or a sea. I am a small body of water surrounded by land. The answer is lake. And lastly, for word number 7, it looks like a monkey, for it belongs to the same family. What could it be? The correct answer is ape. You did a great job. For those who didn't pass, you can definitely try answering again. Now that ends our lesson. I hope you enjoyed and learned the words with long A sound. Until next time!